Hi everyone, it's time for another bedtime story with Lori. Tonight I will be reading Baby Bird's First Nest, written by Frank Asch. One night, Baby Bird rolled over in her sleep, tumbled out of her nest, and woke up with a thump. Baby Bird wasn't hurt, but she was very frightened. Darkness loomed all around her. Even the moon looked cold and scary. "Mama, help me!" she cried. But Mama Bird was fast asleep. Beneath Baby Bird's tree lived Little Frog. "What are you croaking about?" he asked. "I fell out of my nest," Baby Bird said, flapping her tiny wings, "and I can't get back." Little Frog climbed out of his pond. I was going for a moonlight swim. Do you want to come along?" "I just want to go back to my mama and my nest," sniffled Baby Bird. "Don't worry, your mama will find you in the morning," said Little Frog. "The morning's a long way off," replied Baby Bird. "What shall I do till then?" "Why not build your own nest?" asked Little Frog. "I've never built a nest before," sighed Baby Bird. "Neither have I," said Little Frog, "but I'd be glad to help you." So Baby Bird and Little Frog set to work building a nest. They gathered twigs and pine needles to make the outside. Then they lined the inside with birch bark and deer grass. When the nest was finished, Baby Bird hopped inside and chirped, "It's beautiful and cozy too." With a skip and a jump, Little Frog flipped himself into the nest. "Kind of scratchy for my taste," he croaked. "Of course you'd think that. You're a frog," said Baby Bird, "but it's perfect for me." Then she sighed with relief. "My very first nest." Baby Bird snuggled down and soon began to feel sleepy. But Little Frog sat up straight. "I hear paws," he croaked. "Quick, follow me." Little Frog leaped out of the nest and into the pond. Kerplunk! Baby Bird looked up and saw a hungry raccoon. "If I jump in the pond, I'll drown," she thought. So she scrambled out of her nest and fled in the opposite direction. Baby Bird spied a low branch above her head. She crouched down, flapped her tiny wings, and hopped up onto the branch. Raccoon stood on his hind legs. Baby Bird closed her eyes, trembling with fear, but Raccoon couldn't reach her. Raccoon hunted in the water until he found a fish to eat. When he was gone, Little Frog swam ashore and went looking for Baby Bird. He looked in the nest. It was empty. He looked behind the nest and even under the nest. "Oh my," he croaked. "Raccoon got Baby Bird." "No, he didn't. I'm up here." "How did you get up there?" asked Little Frog. "I hopped up," replied Baby Bird. "If you can hop up there, you can hop back to your nest," said Little Frog. I can't hop that far, gasped Baby Bird. Sure you can, said Little Frog, if you take it one hop at a time. Here, I'll show you. And he hopped to Baby Bird's perch. Now follow me, he said, and hopped to a branch above her head. Can you do that? Sure, chirped Baby Bird. Good, said Little Frog, and he hopped to the next higher branch. Little Frog hopped, and Baby Bird followed higher and higher, all the way back to her nest. Mama, I'm home, she cried. Slowly, Mama Bird opened her eyes. Of course you are, my darling, she said with a yawn. But what are you doing out there? Mama Bird lifted Baby Bird into the nest. Mama, cried Baby Bird, I've had the most wonderful adventure. Yes, yes, Mama Bird yawned again. You can tell me all about it in the morning. Soon Mama Bird was fast asleep. Your mama's nice, said Little Frog. Do you want to sleep in our nest tonight? Asked Baby Bird. Little Frog thought for a moment. Too scratchy, he replied. So what are you going to do now? Asked Baby Bird. I guess I'll finish that moonlight swim, said Little Frog. Get ready for the highest dive you ever saw. Thanks, I had fun, said Baby Bird. Me too, said Little Frog. Will I ever see you again? Asked Baby Bird. I certainly hope so, croaked Little Frog, and he dove into the night. And that is the end of that story. Sweet dreams, everyone.